In previously, we have completed our first chapter, knowing our numbers. See, somebody raised a doubt. I can't understand this chapter, so that's why I will explain one more time clearly. Hope you all are understand this chapter one more time. See, let's see. Knowing our numbers. So start with first 1.2. Estimating comparing numbers. Estimating comparing numbers. So all are open your textbook, page number 2. In this, here there is a box is there. All are see this box. Serial numbers, greatest number, smallest number. Here, for example, 51845 and 41964. Here I am taking two numbers. First one 51845 and 41965. Among these, we have to find by comparing these numbers, we have to find which is the greatest number. How we can find? Here first start with 10,000 place. Here see ones, tens, thousand, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 place. By comparing these two numbers, which is the greatest number? Here we will start with 10,000 position. Position 10,000 position. In this number, first number, 10,000 position is 5. Here also same. Among this 10,000 position is 4. So comparing these first two numbers, which is the greatest? 5 is greatest. So 5 greater than or equal to 4. 5 greater than or equal to 4. So among these two numbers, 51845 is the greatest number. This is the one method. Here, which is the greatest number? 5 is the greatest number. So 5 greater than or equal to 4. So 51845 greater than or equal to 41964. Okay. In this another method, for example, here I am taking another example. Example means 58672 and 57875. Here, how can in this two numbers also we are find which is the greater number. Here 10th position is 5. Here also 5 is there. Both numbers 10th position is the same value. So how can we find? We have to move to the next number to the right side. Move to the right number. This is the thousands place, right? Here 8, here 9. Sorry, 7. Which is among this, which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So 8 greater than 7. Okay. Among these two numbers, 8 is the highest. So 6 to 7 is greater than or equal to 7, 5. In this way, same here. Example here 5 is there, 8 is there, 5 is there, 8 is there. Now how can we find which is the greatest number? You have to move on to the next number, 100th place. Comparing these 100 positions, which is the highest, that number is the greatest number. By using this estimation and comparing numbers, we have to do the exercise 1.1 problems. Let's see. Exercise 1.1. The first one 15432 15892 15370 15524. In this first bit, they are giving 4 numbers is there. We have to find the which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. How can we find? Start with 10,000 position. You already know the ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, right? Here all are having the 5 digits, same 5 digits. So here it is the 10,000 position. Start with 10,000 positions. In this having 1, here also 1, 1, 1. All are same. So we have to move on to the right side of the number. Next number 5. 1,000 position here. First number is 5. Second number is also 5. Third number is also 5. Fourth number is also 5. So we have to move to the next number. Have to move to the next number means 4. In this 4. In this number 8. This number 3. This number 5. Okay. Among these, which is the highest number? 8 is the highest number. So 15892 is the greatest number. Which is the least number? Among these numbers, 3. Coming to this 15370 is the smallest number. Here I will explain one more time clearly. Hope understand clearly one more time. Here 4 numbers is given. We have to find out which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. How can we find? We have to start with 10,000 position. 10,000 position. Here first number having 1, second number 10,000 positions 1, third, fourth, all our numbers are same. We did not compare these numbers. Okay. Move on to the right side of the number, 1000 position. Here 5, second number 5, third number is also 5, fourth number is also 5. So we did not compare. All are equal. So we have to move on to the 100 position, which is 4, first number having 4, second number 8, third number 3, fourth number 50. Among these 3 numbers, which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest. 8 is in which number? Second number. So 15892 is the greatest number. Which is the smallest number among these 3? So 15370 is the smallest number. Okay. Going to second. Two 5073 25 289 25 800 25 623. Here also same. In this also each number having 5 digits. So we have to start check with which is the smallest number, which is the smallest number, which is the greatest number among these 4 numbers, among these 4 5-digit numbers. So here also same. 10,000 position first number is 2, second 2, third number is also 2, fourth number is also 2. 10,000 positions and 1,000 positions all are same. We did not compare. Okay, you have to move on to the 100th place. 100th place, that means 0, 2, 8, 6. Okay, which is these 3 numbers, which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So 8525800 is the greatest number. Okay, which is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. So 25073 is the smallest number. So something disturbance. This process is repeated for all the given 4-digit numbers or 5-digit numbers. We have to use this process. We have to use this process. Which is the greatest, which is the smallest number. You have to do this process. How can we do? We have to check all the 10th positions once. if all are equal, you have to move. If 10th positions all are same, you have to move to the next position. If in case next 1000 position also all are equal, you have to move on to the third 100 position. In this, you have to, for example, 100 positions all are also same numbers. What we have to do? You have to move to the 10th place among this 7, 8, 2. Okay, which is by using these 10 numbers, 10 position numbers, compare the which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. Okay, among these 4 numbers, here 8 is the greatest. So you have to put 8525800 is the greatest number. Among the smallest number, 0 is the smallest number. 25073 is the smallest number. In this way, how to do the given, find the greatest number, smallest number among these given numbers. You have to do this process. Okay. Going to second one. 375 1475 15951 4713. Write the numbers in ascending order, that means increasing order. We all know the increasing order. Here observe clearly. First number 375, 3 digits is given, 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits. So among these, increasing means lower number to higher number. That is the ascending order. So here 3 digits is given. We have to write among these 4 numbers. You have to, it's clearly seen that this is the 3 numbers. So among these 4 numbers, 375 is the smallest first number. Okay, 375 right first. So next we have to check the which is the smallest number among these ascending order, right? Smallest number means we have to check these 3 numbers. How can first 1 1 4, right? Which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. Here 1 is the smallest number. So we have to leave this number. Comparing these 2 numbers first. 1 1. Next here thousands place is 1 1. Check once how many digits for each number. Here 3 numbers, 4 4 5. Okay. So among these, which is the least digit? This is the least, 375. Next 4 digits number is 1475 4713. We have to check these 2 numbers. Thousands place. Thousands place means here 1, here 4. Among which is the greatest? 4 is the greatest. So we have to put the 1 is the smallest. That means we have to write the 1 is first. Why? Because ascending order, increasing number. Second one 4713. Fourth number is 5 digits in this. So here is the greatest number among the all. So this is the ascending order. Second bit 9347 190 35 22 570 12300. Okay. By using these numbers, we have to write the ascending order. That means increasing order. How can we write? See, we have to first check the how many digits for each number. Here 4, here 5, 5, 5. So among which is the smallest digits having 9347 is the smallest. So we have to first write this number. Remaining numbers are all having 5 digits. So let's compare these all the numbers. Check first. Here tens, 100, 1000, 100, 1000, 10,000. Start with 10,000 positions. Check 10,000 positions. Which is the smallest one? Put appropriate symbol either less than or greater than in the given space. See, 3854 dash 15200. Here I have to observe clearly. Here 4 digits is there. Here 5 digits is there. Which is the greatest number? So 1854 is the smallest number. 15200 is the greatest number. Yes. So 183854 is less than or equal to 15200. Go to the next sim. 4895 dash 4864. Among these, here 4 digits, 4 digits. 4, 4, 48, 48, thousand place, 100 place, 100 place, both are same. Okay. Move on to the next position. So 9, 6, which is the greatest? 9 is the greatest. So 9, 4895 is greater than the 4864. Okay. 999,454 dash 999,445. Here also put the appropriate symbol on the given space. 10,000 position, 1,000 position, 10,000 1,000 both are same. Move on to the next position. That means 100 position. Here 100 position also same. Move on to the 10th position. Here 5, here 4. Which is the greatest? 5 is the greatest. So you have to 9945 is the greatest of 99945. Okay. Going to the 4th one. 5th one. Write the numbers in words. First one 7. Here in this, for example, here in giving any number, we have to write the in words. How can we write? First, we have to understand the given number. How many numbers, how many digits is given? So, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, here 10,000. So, first is 7 is there. So, 7, 70. That means, okay, 72,000. How much? This 6 place is how much? 100 place. So 640. 642. In this, you have to write first. How many? First, you have to check the how many numbers is giving. First, you have to identify here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, you have to put the comma is here. Why? Because in Indian numeration, a first comma start with first right side of the 3 digits. So, you have to put the comma is here. 72,642. I explain one more example. 55354. This also we have to check how many digits is giving first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 place. Every 3 digits come after every 3 digits of the Indian comma for in Indian numeration system. So how to put the comma on after 3 digits. So here 55. 55,000. 3 is how many position? 100 position. So 300. 345. In this way, we have to given any number. We have to check the first how many digits is giving, how many positions we have to check first. So we have to put the comma. It's easy to for you. Put the comma for every 3 digits. Every 3 digits of the first 3 digits of the after number. So in this way, we have to write this in words. Go to the 6th one. Here 40 first bit. 40,000. 270. Here we write the in previously we have to write in word numbers in words. Here words in numbers. How can we write? Here observe 1000, 1170. That means ones. Okay, 70 means tens, 100, 1000. 40 means 40,000. 40, 40,000. 270. That means 270. 40,270. That means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. See, put the comma is here. 40,270. Go to the second. Here also same. 14,064. 14,000. How can we write? How can we write? Here also same. 5 digits is giving 40,064. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. 14,000 means thousands, 10,000 positions. So 14,064. Seven one. Form 4 digit with the digit numbers with the digits 4037 and find which is the greatest and which is the smallest among them. Here digit numbers is giving how many numbers? 34037. 4 numbers is given. By using these numbers we have to write the smallest number and greatest number. How can we write? Smallest number means that means highest number 7 3 4 0. This is the greatest number. In this we have to write smallest also. Smallest means how can we write? By using these numbers we have to write smallest number. So here I can write this here 3047. 3047. This is the highest number, sorry, greatest number. This is the smallest number. Here I can write. By using these 3 numbers we have to write the smallest number and the greatest number. By using 7 is the highest among these all. So 7, sorry guys, 7 next 4 3 0. This is the answer for the greatest number is coming to greatest number 3045. Okay. Go to the 8th one. Write first bit the smallest 4-digit number. We already know the basically we know the smallest number is right 4-digit number. First bit answer is 1000. Write 4-digit smallest number is 1000. Write greatest 4-digit numbers. Greatest 4-digit number is 999. Double nine. 4 greatest number. For example, 5. If we ask 5 greatest number, what we can write? 5 nines. Okay. 5 small numbers means we can write this 10,000. Okay. For any write the smallest 4-digit numbers, answer is 1000. For example, if we ask write 5-digit numbers of the 5-digit of the 5-digit numbers, smallest 5-digit numbers, how can we write? 1000. 10 is extra. That's it. Here also same. Small greatest number is 999. For example, 5-digit greatest number is 999. Okay. Coming to third one, the smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number. Already I can say now 10,000. Okay, 10 is added. 5 digit. 5 digit of the greatest number. What is 99999. Okay, one number is added. That's it. This is for rounding of numbers. Rounding of number. Here, in our day-to-day life, we are estimating some numbers. Here, a cinema theater is there. So okay, a movie theater is there. In that movie, mostly one day, 400 people is attended the movie. How can we estimating? Okay, how can we say that estimating? Okay. 25 people nearly visited Sarojini Museum in month of November. How can we say that 25,000 people, that is the estimation, okay? In the words nearly, approximately, roughly do not show the exact number of people or material. So, in fact, 25,000 maybe 97 people are attended, or 94,600 people are attended. It may be a little less or more, but not exact. This is the estimation process. Okay. So, estimation is also a good way of checking answers. We usually round up the numbers to the nearest hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, tens, etc. Okay. Here I want to okay. Here, look at the following numbers and rounding up the numbers to the nearest. Here, how can we estimate it? Tens, hundred, thousands. Okay. So, among these numbers, all are having 10 digits numbers. So, that means ones, tens. Okay. Here, 81 is near to 80. Right? 81 is near to 80. So, you have to round up of this like 81. What is the near of 81? 80 is the nearest. So 81 is the nearest. 81 will be rounded of 80. Okay. Among this, next 87 is there. 87, which is the nearest. Which number is the nearest? 90 is the nearest. See, 90 is the nearest. So, 87 is near to 90. So, 87 will be rounded. Okay. This is the tens. Okay. 85 is equal to the 80 and 90. 85 is equal to the 80 and 90. But by convention, it is rounded off 90. So, I will explain more clearly. In estimation on rounding of numbers means, how to, example, 25 people are attended the Sarojini Museum. How can we say that? Just estimation. Maybe 600 people are attended, 800 people are attended. Just estimation. Is the less or more? But exact number is not correct. That is the estimation. Here, estimation means we are using, estimation is a good way of checking the numbers. We usually round up of the numbers, the nearest. How can we round up? Tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here I am saying the example. 10 digits is there. Here 80. How can we find 81 is there? Which is the nearest number? 80 is the nearest number. So we have to round it 81. Among these numbers, middle one is 85. So 85 is marked. 80, which is the 87, which is the nearest number? estimation number is 90. So 87 is rounded. This is the tens. Okay. For example, this is the example 1. Consider as example 1. Here example 2. Here I am taking 3 digits numbers. 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. Here also same. For example, 220 is there. 220 is there. Which is the nearest number? Which is the nearest number means 200 is the nearest number. So we have to round up of 220. Okay. Among these, coming to this one, which is the nearest number? Here, 270 is taken. Which is the nearest number? 300 is the nearest number. So we have to round up of the 270. Okay. What is the rounding of the number for 250? Why? Round up the following numbers using the nearest numbers. Using the nearest numbers. Here giving 87. First bit 87. How can we round up of the nearest number? See. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 90. Okay. I am taking 80 to 90 numbers. Okay. 87 is there. 87 is there. How to find the nearest number to the given number? Nearest number to the this number. So here having 2 digits number, that means tens place. Okay. 80 is the 89 is the nearest place is tens place. 90 is the nearest place. We have to round up of 89. So 90 is the nearest place of the 89. Okay. Going to second. 415, which is the nearest number. Here also we can write 410, 411, 412, 413, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419, 420. Here also I can write 410 to 420 numbers. Here 3 digits numbers is given. Which is the nearest number? Here 415 is there. This is the middle part of the number. Okay. We can write which is the nearest number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are 410, 420. Both are same. Right? See, wait one more time. 420. 450 is the nearest. So, nearest number is the 420. We can write 410 also. This is also nearest number of the 450. Okay. Answer is 420. In this way, we have to find the nearest numbers of the given number. Going to, for example, here we have to take in 3, 5, 1. How can we find? Here also we have to draw the numbers 350, 351, 3951, 3952, 3953, 3954, 3955, 3956, 3957, 3958, 3959, 39600. 60. Okay. Among these, which is the greatest number? Here tens place. Okay. So it's clearly observe 3950 is the greatest number. So answer is 3950 is the nearest number. Going to second one. First Roman is giving two numbers. That means we have to find the nearest tens. In this we have to find the nearest hundreds. So 695. Which is the nearest number? We can see 690, 691, 692, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 698, 699, 700. So among these, which is the greatest number? 495 is there. Which is the hundredth place? Here 690 is not hundredth place. So we have to move on to the next. 700 is the nearest place of the 695. Hundredth place. Okay. Let's go to the second one. 36152. How can we find? See, 36150, 150, 36151, 36152, 36153, 36154, 36156, 36157, 36158, 36159, 36600 until we will get hundreds place. Hundreds means hundreds to the nearest number. You have to write these numbers like this. So 36152 is the nearest number of 36600. Okay. This way how to write the nearest numbers of tens and hundreds. Here nearest numbers of thousands. Nearest numbers of thousand. That means these four numbers all are having the three zeros. So 3411, 341, sorry, 3400, 3411, 3412, 3413, 3414, 16, 3417, 3418, 3419, 3420. Okay. This is a thousands place. We have to nearest thousands place. That means 3415. We have to write upon up to 4 here 420, 4 3,400 up to 4,000. So we will get 4,000. This is the thousand place, is the nearest place. Here 3,415 is given. We have to find the nearest thousands place. How can we find? For up to we have to draw the numbers this way. Up to we have to get the 3 zeros. 3 zeros. When will we get 4,000? We have to up to 4,000. We have to get the 3 zeros. So answer is 4,000. Going to second one. 70124. What is the nearest thousands place? Here we can write clearly. Numbers below, we will get 300. Okay, 3,000 is it. So answer is 3,000. Which is the nearest means you have to check once. 3415 is there, which is the hundredth nearest hundredth place. 3415 after we will reach 1000. Where 4,000. So 3452 for 4,000 distance. So many numbers is there. Up to 808, 775 numbers is in between the 3415 to 4000. So this is the so long. Compare 3415 to 3000. Which is the nearest number? 3000 is the nearest number. Okay. In between the 3415 to 3000, how many numbers? 415 numbers is there. So nearest number is 3000 is the nearest number. Coming to next one, 70124. Here also same. When will we get hundreds place? That means 8000. When will we get? It is so long. Come in front of the numbers. 7000 is the nearest place. How to round it out? 7000. This is the answer of the seventh, third bit. Okay. Going to fourth one. Write the numbers in short form. 300 plus 400 plus 7. How can we write? By adding these three numbers, we have to get the sum number. This is the short form of this number. Okay. 300, 400, 7. 7, 0, 4, 3. Answer is 3407. In this we have to write the short form of these given numbers. Going to the second one. 10,000, 2,000, 300 plus 50 plus 1. So here also adding these two numbers, we will get the short number of form. Okay, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 5, 1. Here you have to write the short form in this way. By adding these numbers, we will get the sum value. That value is the short form of this number. Going to fifth one. Write the expanded form of the numbers. In previously you can write short form. In this we have to write an expanded form. Here first we have to observe how many digits is given. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So first one is 4000. Okay, next 100's place 3, 300. Next 4 is 10's place 40. 1's 80. So this is the expanded form of the given number. For example, here I will take and this second number 214. First we will check how to expand this number. First we will check which how many digits is given. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 30,000 plus 0 plus 0, nothing. 2 is 100's place. 200 plus 1 into 10's place 4. This is the expand form of the given number. Up to 1.4 exercise number 1.2 is also over. Now learn the introduction of large numbers. We already know that in first exercise number first one 1.2 we already write the what is the smallest 4 digit numbers is 1000, right? What is the greatest 4 digit numbers? 399, right? For example, if we are asking write the 5 digits of the smallest number 10,000, greatest number is 999. So introduction of large numbers, the greatest 5 numbers is this one. Greatest 5 number digits is 999. If you add 1 to this number, what will get? 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. This number 1 lakh comes after 99. Comes after 99,999. The 99,999 after 1 lakh will come. Okay. Now can you say how many tens there in 1 lakh? How many hundreds are there in 1 lakh? How many thousands are in there 1 lakh? How can you say that? Let us take. Here I am taking 1 lakh 50 654. Okay. Here alkali expanded. First we have to check how many digits is giving. 100, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 3 lakhs. So 3 into 1 lakh plus 1 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5. 4 into 10, 5. So in this we have to see here 1 lakh is having 5 zeros, 1000 is having 4 zeros, 10,000 is having 4 zeros, 1000 is having 3 zeros, 100 is having 2 zeros, 10 is having 1 zeros. Okay. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form of the 1 lakh numbers. Okay. Here 3 lakhs is giving. You have to expand these numbers this way. For example, here giving another number 13 is it. For that means 13 lakhs. 13 lakhs. That means 10 lakhs. How can we expand these numbers? In this process, we have also same expanded this sum. For example, 1 into how many numbers? 10 lakhs. Okay. 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. That's it. Let's go. One point 5.2 usage of commas. What is the usage of commas? In Indian system of numeration, we use tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, crores, right? Commas used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. The first comma comes every after 3 digits. Here I am taking 14517 is there. By using Indian system of numeration, we have to put the commas. First comma put the every after hundreds place. That means 6 is the 100 place. You have to put the right side of the hundreds place. Next comma mark thousands of every 2 digits. Comma comes, the second comma comes every after 2 digits. First comma put the hundreds place. Second comma put the every 2 digits of the next number. 2 digits of the from the right. 5 digits from the right. Okay. It comes after every 10,000 place and mass lakh. The third comma comes every after the other 2 digits. 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakhs place the mass crores. Comes help us writing large numbers easily. Here, for example, I will explain one more. Okay, I want to take 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Here, I'm taking some example. Here, this numbers is giving. You have to put the commas by using this. How can you put the commas? By using Indian system of numeration, put the commas. How can you put the commas? Mark the commas. See, we already know the Indian system of numeration. Put the commas. First comma put the first hundreds place. That means move to the right to the first three digits. Put the first mark. Okay. Next second mark move to the 2 digits. That means 10,000 place. 2 digits of the next place. Next 2 digits of the next place. That means 100 This is the 10,000 place. This is the 10 lakhs place. So we have to put the mass in this way. First, Indian numeration system, put the commas. First mass start with hundreds place. Second place start with 10,000 mass. Third place start with 10 lakhs. First mass after 3 digits. Next mass after 2 digits. Third mark is also after 2 digits. This is the Indian numeration of this system. Okay. But international, this is the international system of numeration. We have to put the mass in this way. But using international system, this is the Indian. This is the Indian system of numeration. But according to international system of numeration, how can we put the mass? How can you put the commas? Here 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 is there. How can you put this? See, I will explain difference between the both. First comma comes every after 3 digits. Second comma is also after 3 digits. Okay, this is the international system. But coming to Indian numeration system, first digit start from hundreds place, 3 digits. Second comma start from after 2 digits of the 100,000, 10,000 place. Next digit comes with after 2 digits. That means 10 lakhs place. But in this international system, coming to Indian system of numeration, first digit start, first comma put the after 3 digits from the right side of the. Second comma is also mark the after the 3 digits. That means lakhs place. Okay. In this way, we have to put the commas on the by using the Indian system. This is using the international system. Okay. By using these commas, we have to do the problem exercise number 1.3. First one, write the numbers using commas. Here giving here some numbers is giving. We have to put the commas by using Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. We have to put the commas. How can we put the commas in Indian numeration system? That means we have to put the first comma, move to the right of 3 digits of hundreds place. Hundreds place means here. We have to move next 2 digits of the thousands place. Here. Next 10,000. This is. Okay, you have to put the commas first 3 digits, after 2 digits of the 10,000 place, after 2 digits of the 10 lakhs place. So this is the Indian numeral system. You have to put the commas in this way. Here also same. First 3 digits, next 10,000 place, next 10 lakhs place. Here also same. 3 digits, hundreds place, 10,000 place, 10 lakhs place. Okay. Go to the number 2. First one. Write the numbers in words. Here. Here giving first in this given numbers. How can we write in words? First we have to check how many digits are in the given number. Here 1, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So first comma is 34. After 34. So here 1,000 is there. 3, 4, 34. You can write 34,000. 34,000. 0 is not count. So 25 means 20. 34,025. Okay, that means 34,000. 34,025. Here, observe clearly. 5 digits is there. 3 4 is the 34. That means thousands place. Thousands place means 34,025. Coming to second. First, in this also we have to check the how many numbers, how many commas is there. Here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 7 lakhs. Okay, lakhs. Which is the first position, lakhs position. Which is the number is there? 7. So 7 lakhs. Coming to next, 0 is not count. 9,000. 9,000. 115. First one is which position? 100 position. So 100. 15 means 50. 150. So here 7 lakhs 9,115. In this way we have to identify the first which number, how many digits in the given number, how many commas is the this number. We have to write this like. Let's see third one. Here also count the digits first. How many digits is there? How many places? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Okay. Here 10 crores. So here whole number is considered as 47 crores. 47 crores. Coming to this, 60 is lakhs position. So 60 lakhs. 0 is not counted. So move on to the next number. 60 lakhs 317. Right? 17. See? Here first we have to check the, in this large number it is easy to identify the digits place. See here in this given number having tens crores place. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. So comma is after 2 digits number. So here we have to, this whole number is like crores. So 47 crores. 60, put the rest after comma. So 60 lakhs, 0 is not counted. So 317. Which is the 3's place is 100's place. So 317. Move on to the third one, first bit. Four lakh 57 7,400. How can we write? See, 4 lakhs 57,000. That means 4 lakhs. Okay, that means fifth position, right? 4 lakhs, the comma, 57,000. 57,400. 57,400. See here, lakh, 100. Sorry, lakh, 1,000, 100 is there. So 4 lakh first, 57,000 next, 400. So in this way, how to write the numbers in figures. Move on to the first bit. Here, write the numbers in expanded form. 63, 20, 500 is there. How can we expand it? See, first you have to check the numbers place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay. 60, 6 into 10 lakhs. How many lakhs in, how many zeros are there in 10 lakhs? Ten lakhs. 3 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. See, here we can observe. Put the first you have to check the given number. How many digits are there? Which place is there? Which digit? So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So, okay. In this, we have to expand this given number. How can we expand? 63 lakhs. First number is 10 lakhs position. So 6 into 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means how many 10 lakhs having in how many zeros? 6 zeros is there. So 6 into 10 lakhs. 3 is the lakhs position. 3 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 1000 plus 0 into 1000. 5 into 100 plus, so 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. This is the expanded form of the given number. First we have to find the which number in which position, which place. That is easy to get the answer. Move on to the fifth one. First bit 50 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 50 plus 20 plus. Write the following numbers in short form. I can write, we already do the same previously. How write the short form means by adding these numbers, these all numbers, we will get the short form. 4,000, 20,000, 8,000, 500, 24. 4, 2, 5, 8, 2, 4, 5. 5 lakhs 42, sorry, 54 lakhs 28,524. This is the expanded form. This here giving any plus addition, write the short form. By adding these numbers, we have to get some value. That is the expanded form of the given number. Short form of the short form of the given number. Go to the sixth one. First bit 461,612 or 18,71,964. Who is the larger among these two? Among these two. By comparing these two, which is the greater, which is larger, using the greater than symbol. Okay. Here see 5 here 6 digits is there, here 7 digits is there. Here clearly observe 5 digits is the greatest number. So 18,71,964 is greater than 467,612. Okay. Sorry, 18,71,000. Going to the second one. Sorry, seventh first bit. Which is the smaller among these two? Here you can observe clearly. Here 5 digits is there. Here 6 digits is there. Which is the smallest? 99,999 is the smallest. 99,999 is the less than or equal to 2 lakhs 20,015. So this is the, how to check the among these number, which is the smallest, which is the greatest. Here comparing these two, 999 is the smallest. Going to the international system of numeration. We already learned the international system of the numeration. Here, international numeration system, put the commas. How can we put? Here, number is given. How can you put the international system? First place, hundredth place. Next place is also moved to the next 3 digits of the number. That means the lakhs place. Okay, for example, here 5 is there, we have to move on to the next digit. 6 is there, 3 digits. So in this way, we have to put the comma in international system every after 3 digits of the number. After 3 digits of the number. So 1 million is a thousands or 10 lakhs. Here we can, in Indian system 10 lakhs 5 digits, but in international system we can consider as 1 million. 1 crore is considered as international system 10 million. 10 crore considered as 100 million. 100 crore considered as 1 billion. Here using the, in this method is in Indian system, but coming to international system, 10 lakhs equal to considered as 1 million, 1 crore considered as 10 million, 10 crores considered as 100 million in international system, 100 crores considered as 1 billion. Okay. Coming to first one, write the numbers using commas according to the international system of numeration. In previously we have learned the what we have Indian system of numeration, but in this we have to put the commas. 1 4 6 6 4 5. International system of numeration. Put the commas. We have to after every 3 digits of the numbers. So in this way, how to put the commas. First hundredth place, lakhs place. This is the international system. Coming to go to the second one. So 0 4 8 4 2 1. How can we put the commas? Every 3 digits of. This is the international system. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. So 12 crores. Sorry. 31 lakh. 31 lakh. 15,000. 27. See here, crores place, lakhs place, thousands, 2 is the hundredth place, 7 is the ones place. So 12 crores, 31 lakh, 15,027. This is the Indian system. Coming to international system, how can we write here? You already know the put the commas in this given number. How can we put every after 3 digits? 3 digits. So here 12 in Indian here 12 crores, right? Crores, 10 crores. That means, but coming to in international system, 1 crore equal to 10 million. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 10 crores equal to 100 million. So here 123 million 100, 100, 123, sorry, 100 and, wait one more time, sorry, 123 million 11 3 million 1 lakh 15,027. See, coming to in Indian system, here 10 crores equal to 10 crore equal to 1 million, 100 million. So 1223 million 1,15,027. Okay. In this we have to write the given numbers to put the commas in Indian using the Indian system. Write the in words. Go to the fourth one. Read the numbers carefully and answer the following numbers. 302, 179, 468. Here, clearly observe, this is the after every 3 numbers put the comma. So this is the international system. Here, first we have to write the following answers. The digit at millions place. Here, which number in millions place? How can we find? See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Here, lakhs, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. All are same for the international system and Indian system. Coming to 10 lakhs, in this Indian system we are considered as 10 lakh equal to 1 million, right? 1 crore equal to how much? 10 million. Right? 10 crore equal to how much? 100 million. 100 million. So here the digit at millions place. How much millions place? Which number is there? 2. So first one is 2. The digit at hundreds place. Hundreds place means tens, ones, 100. So 4 is the second answer. The digit at 10 million place. 10 million place means 10 lakhs. Sorry, 1 crore. 1 crore is the 10 million. So 0 is the third answer. Coming to fourth one. How many millions are there in the numbers? How many millions? 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions. So answer is 302. Here see, I will explain clearly one more time. In this given number, we have to identify the international system of the by doing these four bits. Here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Up to 1 lakh, it is common for internal system and Indian system. Coming to internal system, 10 lakhs considered as 1 million. 10 lakh place is considered as 1 million. 1 crore place is considered as 10 million. Okay. 10 crores considered as 100 million. So coming to first bit, that the digit at millions place. Here millions place is 1 million means 10 lakhs is equal to 2. Okay, 2 is the first bit. Coming to second, 100 place is 4. Okay, right. Coming to third one, the digit at 10 millions place. That means 10 millions place is equal to 1 crore. 0 is the fourth sum answer. How many millions are there in this number? That means 302. Okay, answer is 302. Up to